Hello everyone, this is the Case Breakers, and tonight I'm coming at you with a personal box break for Shoei 2013 Certified Football. Alright, give it some stabs with some boom baby. Shoei hit a nice EJ Manuel autograph earlier tonight in our group case break by team. Now he's looking for some more. Boom, baby. Alright, Joey, good luck, brother. And no hot box, so still there. The hot box is still alive, but a nice Dan Marino. Number 840 of 999. A mirror gold. Shoei with a mirror gold. 12 of 25. Oh, for the Jets. Bilal Powell. That's a nice hit though, Shoei. Man, these numbered colored cards are coming out crazy out of our case. Crazy. And we got a relic. First, we'll go to the rookie, Ryan Otten. And Shoei, I just want to show you in the corner, it is damaged. I don't know how well you can see it. Yeah, you can see it there. It's bent on the corner. That's how it came out of the pack. Now let's get to your relic. Wrong way. Well, it's a green jersey. Jeremy Maclin for the Eagles, 226 of 299. And a mirror red, 102 of 250. Tom Brady, nice hit. Very nice hit there, Shoei. Which one, the Brady, Jerry? Another mirror red. This is an autograph rookie. Blitty Ray Wilson for the Titans, 492 of 499. Yeah, the big jerseys are nice. Panini did a bang-up job with this product, I must say. And this guy is good, Shoei. Eric Reed. No, there was a Brady mirror red, though. Eric Reed, rookie, 244 of 299. That's a nice card, brother. And you still have one auto and one jersey left. And here is one. It's a relic. Marquise Goodwin for the Bills, 189 of 299. Oh, Brandon, you crushed it, brother. You crushed it. One autograph left, shall we? And a rookie. Ooh. Tavon Austin. There you go, buddy. Nice rookie. 91 of 999. Two packs left. And it's not in here. 91 of 250. Alex Okafor. I'm not going to tell you, Brando. And should be an auto. Hopefully an auto jersey. All right, Brendan. Thank you, brother. It is. Oh, Chris, it's a nice one, brother. It's a nice one. Tavon Austin. Boom, baby. There you go, buddy. Number 380 of 399. Saving the best for last. There you go, Chris. Chris, congrats. Thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to check us out. www.thecasebreakers.com. Follow us on Twitter @thecasebreakers. And check my eBay auctions. My eBay ID is The Casebreakers. Boom, baby.